Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader Dexter. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USDjpy, US dollar Japanese yen for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my channel for the analysis of other pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of USDjpy in front of us right now, and at last market has reclaimed its position again above this 109.75 level. I have been speaking about this level for the past 3 months, I guess. 3 months, that 109.75 is the most crucial level in the chart of US dollar Japanese yen, because this level belongs to the weekly chart, and this was the level which was acting as a resistance for the market previously, and after that it was acting as support for the market. Overall, this level has been playing a very active role in the chart of USDjpy. Right now it is acting as support for the market. Okay, so after a couple of months this level may be acting as a resistance for the market also. Okay, so right now it is trading above this line. Okay, and we can see that market is trading at 110.49. This is the current market price or the last traded price. And if we go to a weekly chart once, and let me remove the drawings, and right now you can clearly see that market has formed a hammer kind of a pattern, which means that there was some selling pressure present in the market, but market again recovered its position and market has successfully closed above the weekly chart, and this was the level I was talking about. Okay, so again market is trading above the level, so things are back to normal again. Okay. uh wait, sorry. 4-hour chart. Yes, we are back to our 4-hour chart again. So if you look at the chart here, then you can see that I have only got two lines over here. First and foremost, this line, and I have clearly explained this line is 109.75, the most crucial level in the chart of USDjpy. Okay. On the other hand, you can see that I have also got this level right now, 110.70. Okay. and and the significance of this level is that there is a possibility that market may reverse, or market may see some selling pressure or get some resistance at this level here. So what should be our strategy for Monday? Because see, the chart of USDjpy is quite simple in comparison to chart of US dollar and sorry, Euro USD and Pound USD, because in my Pound USD and Euro USD I have explained all the complexities, but this chart does not seem to be much complex here. So you can see that right now market is going up, there is some good buying pressure here going on, but there is a possibility that market may see some resistance, or market may face some selling pressure at this level. So I'll request you to mark this level, 110.70 level, on your charting platform. Okay. So so on Monday, if market reverses from this trend line, okay, from this line or resistance, then you can short the market here. But keep in mind that confirmation is extremely important. Confirmation will be in the form of shooting star, price rejection from above, or a red candle like this. Once you get the confirmation that 110.70 is a valid resistance for the market, and it is not allowing the market to go up, you can short the market here. Generally, whenever we get a scenario like this, when market is extremely bullish, I do not recommend sell. Okay, I always tell that follow the trend, follow the market and all. But today I'm telling you that you may get a good opportunity to short the market, because if you look at the stochastic RSI here, then you can clearly see that there is a divergence here on the chart. Divergence means there is a mismatch between the indicator and the price in the market. Generally, I do not follow indicators much, But divergence is something that I follow, okay, that works for me, and that have been working for me for the last couple of years. That's why I follow divergence. In fact, there are thousands and thousands of traders around the world who follow the divergence. So whenever we get a divergence like this, then there is a possibility that we may see some selling pressure. Okay. And you can see that market has almost reached the resistance level. So I'm just telling you that though market saw some good buying pressure on the Friday trading session, but still there is a possibility that market may come down a bit or market may reverse. In that case, you can go for some quick profit. I'm not saying that there will be a trend reversal in the market, okay, that there will be some heavy sell off. I'm just saying that there may be some good opportunities to make money if market reverses from this particular level. That's it. And if you go to Forex sentiment meter, okay, you'll find the Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. Forex sentiment meter, you can see that 76% retail traders have taken short position and 23% retail traders have taken long position. And as you all know, or as we all know, this is a hard fact of the market that 90%, more than 90% retail traders lose money. Therefore, I always recommend you to take opposite trade against the retail traders. And here today, I'm telling you that you can also short the market, and you can see that retail traders have already short the market. But the main difference here is that I'm telling you to short the market at a resistance, and they have already shorted the market. Okay, when market was in uptrend, okay, when market was in uptrend, market was seeing some heavy bullish power, okay, buying power. They have already shorted the market. Okay, that is wrong. That is completely wrong. Okay, I am telling you that you can short the market if market reverses from this resistance level. So there is a huge difference in shorting the market and you have already shorted the market. Okay, so do not follow the herd, okay, because if market goes up from here, there will be loss again. Okay, so be a wise trader, analyze the trade properly. So let the market open on Monday. If market reverses from this level, if you see price struggling near the resistance, then only short the market. If market crosses this level, do not short the market. Don't do anything. I'll be coming down on Monday and I'll tell you what you need to do. So as of now, only one trading opportunity I'm giving you for Monday, and that is this level. You can short the market here because there is a divergence and there is also resistance here. That's it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you on Monday.